Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 2629 Lake Road on a private point on gorgeous Lake Ontario.
This is an amazing waterfront property, so let's take a tour.
This is open waterfront living with a great room, featuring a white and bright kitchen with a breakfast bar and hardwood floors. Open to a vaulted ceiling dining area with a wall of windows, and living area with custom built-ins, all with breathtaking lake views. The first floor also features a grand foyer with vaulted ceilings, 2 bedrooms, and a first floor laundry, including a waterfront master with cathedral ceilings and deck access. This home also features a loft bedroom and a finished lower level with a separate entrance with a bedroom, kitchen, and living room. A great in-law suite. This is nature at its best, with a tranquil setting tucked back off of Lake Road on a peninsula with stunning landscaping. From this entertainment-sized deck, enjoy 180-degree Lake Ontario views. This home is situated on 1.9 acres on a private point with 126 feet of elevated waterfront, just 10 steps to the stone beach.
Enjoy nearby Bear Creek Harbor to launch your boat, with easy access to Rochester and all of Monroe County, and the charming hamlet of Pulteneyville.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 2629 Lake Road on gorgeous Lake Ontario.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!